kiwedde saizi akagirita. That level of vegetable. Not your vegetable. You hear me? Do. Chili clear. Tell the fire clear. Tell the one of clear. Well, I start cooking and we are going to fry this beef that I made. Yes, look at her. Oh yeah. Looks pretty good. I'm serving with potato. And I'm serving with vegetable. Don't forget your vegetables. This is my plate. I'm going to move it to scoops. Let's see. Let's see how that works. Two is enough. Vegetables are important in this food business. Actually, more vegetables, less food. There we go. They're falling everywhere. I'll get some of that. Oh, and this is my new power stove. I'm cooking from outside, which feels good. I don't know why, but it does feel good to cook from outside for once. Okay? Bon appetit. Look at that. I made it. Okay. Don't mind the noise. I am just gonna eat my fish somehow. I'm used to the noise. It is what it is. This is how you do. You can just look at this. Okay, I get to know it. You get to know it, but it's all invited.